Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Good news for Samsung users. Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, could stand out in price among 2026 flagships, amid rising iPhone prices. According to the latest available data, this would mark the fourth consecutive year of price retention. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The flagship smartphone market could change significantly in 2026. Rumor has it that Samsung is considering keeping the starting prices for the Galaxy S26 series at the same level as several previous generations. If confirmed, this would mark the fourth consecutive year of price retention, starting with the Galaxy S23 series. According to preliminary information, the base version of the Galaxy S26 will cost around $800, the Plus model will cost around $1,000, and the premium flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, will approximately cost around $1,300. Given general inflation and rising electronics costs, this pricing policy seems atypical for the flagship segment. At the same time, the external appearance of the new devices will likely differ little from the Galaxy S25 and S24. This has led to skepticism from some users, who believe that with minimal design changes, the price remains unchanged, not a significant advantage. However, the smartphone market situation in 2026 makes this question more complex. Manufacturers are already facing rising prices for key components, including processors, memory modules, and displays. A possible RAM shortage is also being discussed, which could force many brands to raise prices on new models. Under these circumstances, refraining from increasing the price of flagships is becoming a rare occurrence. The situation surrounding Apple is of additional significance. According to unofficial reports, the company may change its release schedule, which could lead to the standard iPhone 18 not being released until spring 2027. In fall 2026, Apple will reportedly limit the release to the Pro and Pro Max models, as well as a possible foldable device. This could leave the market without an Apple flagship priced under $1,000. Against this backdrop, the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus may be the only relatively affordable flagship smartphones of 2026. Meanwhile, according to leaks, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature updated telephoto lenses, a more energy-efficient processor, and an improved display with increased brightness and reduced power consumption. So, Samsung's strategy may not be about a lack of change, but rather an attempt to remain competitive in the face of rising prices and shrinking offerings in the mid-flagship segment. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.